Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take control of your crypto investments, today's video is perfect for you. We're going to walk through the simple steps to transfer your cryptocurrency from Robinhood to Exodus in 2025. With the evolving crypto landscape, this process has become even more user-friendly, but it's always good to double-check to keep your assets safe. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a Robinhood account with crypto assets, an Exodus wallet installed on your device, and a stable internet connection. Also, ensure your Exodus app is updated to the 2025 version for the latest security features. This helps prevent any compatibility issues. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your crypto portfolio and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once selected, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Step 2. Before entering any details in Robinhood, open your Exodus wallet. Go to the wallet for the crypto you're transferring, then navigate to the Receive section. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy it carefully, as this is crucial for the transfer to work. Step 3. Back in Robinhood, paste the Exodus wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but don't go over what you have. You'll see a summary of fees. Robinhood might charge a small network fee, so keep that in mind for 2025 rates. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation screen. Double-check the address and amount to avoid costly mistakes. Once you're sure, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Depending on the blockchain network, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. After the transfer, open your Exodus wallet and refresh it to confirm your crypto has arrived. Pro tip: always use the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum, to prevent funds from getting lost. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you transfer crypto from Robinhood to Exodus in 2025. It's a great way to move your assets to a non-custodial wallet for more control. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.